Here we have the butter, then we have sugar and the spices, the egg, the white flour, and the hazelnuts. Then we set it up, the machine, and we prepared some baking trays.
At first, you have to mix butter and sugar. Until the condiment is a creamy mixture. Then we add the eggs. At the end, we add white flour until it's a dough.
Step is to add the whole hazelnuts and put the machine on a slow speed. Now we put the machine on a slow speed so that the hazelnuts won't break and until they are evenly distributed in the dough. We divided the dough in 3 pieces and now we form rolls out of it. Now we put the dough into the freezer so that it gets cold and we can form it into our cookies. Now we roll the dough in sugar. Now we cut out the cookies and place them on the baking tray afterwards.
We bake it for 10 minutes at top and bottom heat at 180 degrees.
Now the cookies are ready and have beautiful colors.